Hey everybody, this is the finished drawing that and I'm just going to make a quick circle over here. Now we're going to make a line through the circle. This is just to help make a guide and make sure the proportion of the face is correct. And then I'm going to extend that circle out to create the chin just going to add some more lines so I know where the nose and where the mouth will be. It's always good to use your pencil to make sure that the lines are evenly spaced out. Some lines for the forehead, the hairline and the eyebrows. Now when sketching eyes, it takes some practice to get it spaced even, right? Just try to get it spaced out as evenly as you think you can. Here I'm just adding the eyebrows now. I use the edge of the eyes to give me an outline of where the nose should be. Look how this vertical line is helping me center the nose, so I know where the button of the nose goes. Now I'm adding 2 vertical lines below the eyes, and this will actually help me space out the lips properly. Oops, going to redo the lips. Just shading in the eyebrows. And now I'm just drawing the hairline. So when drawing faces, it's really important to have guides. I use these lines, these vertical and horizontal lines as guides. And you can see on the left-hand side, over here, I've labeled the lines so I know which line is for what feature I just made some lines around the lips as an indication of where his jaw should be. Just making a rough outline of his hair. I'll add in the details later. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and darken everything using the 5B pencil, giving some detail to the eye. You see how I'm using negative space to accentuate the pupil of his eye. can see the drawing is starting to come to life a bit. I'm using a 4B pencil to add in the hair details as you continue to just make simple lines. If you look closely, the lines aren't going from bottom to top. There are some empty space in the middle, so that's negative space to replicate sheen. This gives it a more realistic look as well. I'll be using a blend tool to try to make the face a little bit more realistic, so I'm just going to be making them a little bit older by adding some lines around his lips. If you don't have a blend tool like I'm using right now, you can always use tissue, or you could use a piece of cotton you would use for makeup. It's really giving the face depth, and you could see how I'm adding it around his face. And then I'll also be adding it around his neck and his shoulder. If you like this drawing, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications. I upload new sketches every Monday and Friday, and if you have any feedback, any questions, please comment below and I'll definitely get back to you as quickly as I can.